Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this very cute bag. You can use it instead of a key holder or keychains. Make one slip knot, 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Marked first and last chain, make 1, 2 chains, go to marked chain, last chain, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in this chain, go to next chain, make 1 single crochet in each chain, in last chain, this marked chain, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, go to next stitch like this, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, make 1 single crochet in each stitch until this marked stitch. Insert your hook into this chain, first chain, a slip stitch, make 1 chain, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, marked this chain, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in each stitch. One single crochet and continue with 1 single crochet in each stitch. A slip stitch, make chain, mark this chain and make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Continue like this for 10 rows. In all rows repeat this. A slip stitch in the first of all rows. Make 1 chain, marked first chain. Go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet. After 10 rows, a slip stitch, fold it in here, half of this side, half of this side, like this. Like this. Insert your hook into this chain, change color, tie yarn, insert your hook into a stitch, make 1 chain, yarn over, make 1 double crochet. Skip this stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet. Skip this stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet. Skip this stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet. Like this. Repeat from this stitch, go to this stitch, last stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, make 1 chain, turn it, go to this hole, after single crochet of previous row, this hole, make 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, same as before row, go to this row, this hole, after single stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, this hole, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, make 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet in last hole, this hole, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, make a chain, turn it and continue, go to this hole, this, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet like this, after single crochet, crochet from after this single crochet stitches, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and continue. In last stitch, go to this last chain, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, make a chain, turn it, after 1 2 3 4 11 12 rows, fold it like this, join these sides like this together, make 1 chain, take back loops of these chains on your hook, a slip stitch, like this, take back loops, a slip stitch, join from back loops, a slip stitch, insert your hook into this corner,